Heron's formula, class 9th mathematics, NCERT, chapter 12.2. Question number 4th. A triangle and a parallelogram have the same base and the same area. If sides of the triangles are 26, 28 and 30 centimeter and parallelogram stands on the base of 28 centimeter, find the height of the parallelogram. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस क्वेश्चन के अकॉर्डिंग कहा जा रहा है कि जो एक ट्रायंगल है और एक पैरेललोग्राम है, उस दोनों का सेम बेस है और एरिया भी सेम है और ट्रायंगल का साइड जो गिवन है, तो फर्स्टली वी हैव टू ड्रॉ द फिगर. सो ए पैरेललोग्राम and a triangle having same base. So this length is the same base, A, B, C, D and E. So this length is the same base and this is the triangle and this is the parallelogram. So the given is triangle sides 26 centimeter and the base is 28 centimeter. Base is 28 centimeter and then second is 26 centimeter and final third is 30 centimeter. So find the height of the parallelogram. So firstly we have to find the area of the triangle. So area of triangle CDE is goes for root under S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Then firstly we have to find the S. So S is the, if you have to assume A, B and C, then A plus B plus C upon 2 is goes for 30 plus 28 plus 26 upon 2. So this goes to 8, 6, 14, 4, 1, 3, 2, 5 and 3, 8, 82, 84 upon 2. 84 upon 2, this goes for 42. 42 is, sorry, yes, 42. So put the value of S and we have to find the 42 into 42 minus 30 into 42 minus 28, 42 minus 26 centimeter square. Then we have to solve them. So this goes for 42 into 42 minus 30, 12 into 42 minus 28, 4, 3, 1, 14 into 42 minus 26, 16 centimeter square. Then you have to solve them by easy process. Then firstly you make a pair or between them. So this firstly we have to make the pair. So this goes to 2 into 3 into 7. That's next 2 into 2 into 3 and then next 2 into 7 and then next 4 into 4 into 4. So this 2 and this 2 pair goes outside, this 3 and this 3 pair goes outside, this 2 and this 2 goes outside pair, this 7 and this 7 goes outside and this 4 is outside. No one remaining inside the square root, and then multiply 2 2 ja 4, 3 ja 12, 12 4 ja 48, 48 7 ja 8 7 ja 56, 5 7 4 ja 28, 5 33, 336. So 336 centimeter square is the final area of the triangle. Then according to a question, area of triangle is equal to area of parallelogram. So area of triangle is area of parallelogram. So we know that area of parallelogram is equal to area of triangle. Then area of parallelogram is base into height and is equal to 336 centimeter square. Then base, we have to find base given, so 28 centimeter into height is equal to 336 centimeter square. Then height goes for 336 upon 28 centimeter. This goes to 4 7 ja 28 and 4 7 ja 20, 4 8 ja 32 and 4 4 ja and 7 12 ja 84. So 12 centimeter. 12 centimeter. So finally the height of the parallelogram is 12 centimeter. Final answer. So thank you, and please subscribe and like and share the channel. Thank you.